If you ever watched a video and thought to yourself, well, I would like to make this setup, but I don't have a studio, or I don't have the expensive equipment that is necessary to build the setup, well, this video is for you. Because today we'll be breaking down this very inexpensive, very simple lighting setup that actually needs only one light to work. So without further ado, let's get started.
Bigger, bolder, faster, going to the maximum. Bigger, bolder, faster.
Okay, so let me start with some backstory about this video setup. This light setup was made for a song cover video for a local artist, and she came to me and asked to make a setup based on some reference pictures. And my first idea was to make a cove light, to make a really soft light. However, what we really end up using was just one simple light with a beauty dish. So this light here is a Godox VL200 light. It's not the brightest, also it's not the dimmest, however we're only using 10% of its maximum power. That's why you could use something else, an inexpensive light like this one. This one is Godox SL60. Maybe you could use something from Aperture like the 100X or 100D light. Those would suffice for this kind of setup. So now let's talk about the modifier. We used a beauty dish. So beauty dishes are modifiers that you usually see in photography, less so in video. However, we decided to use this one because it's not only soft and produces very pleasing effects, it also makes this kind of Rembrandt lighting effect that you can see here. This triangle here is called Rembrandt lighting. It makes this kind of very interesting real-life painting-like effect. Also, this modifier was great for making the background light. As you can see, if I move the modifier, this background light here was also made by the beauty dish. So we had only one light that was lighting the talent, and also this light was bouncing from a reflector that is on our talent's right. Also, this light made the background light. So it's like 3-in-1. So usually you can use something like this on a beauty dish. This is a diffusion sock. So you simply install it here. One more time. It makes the light a lot softer and more pleasing. However, it also got rid of this crescent shadow-like effect that we had on the background. And this was something that my talent showed me in the reference pictures, and she really wanted to create this one. So we need to take it off. Okay, so now let me show to the camera how a beauty dish looks like. This is a beauty dish. This one is painted white, however, it can be also painted silver. The white versions are a little bit softer. The beauty dish main thing is that it's just a round dish made out of metal. However, it also has this centerpiece. This centerpiece is very important because it reduces the spotlight effect that a light would have without it. This centerpiece, as you can see here, is also painted white. So let's put the beauty dish back up because we're blinding our talent. So to sum up, we have this one light coming from her left, creating this kind of Rembrandt lighting triangle here. Also, we have this silver reflector here that is bouncing the light, creating some fill light. Also, this one beauty dish is creating this crescent shadow that is our background. And the last thing is one more light, which is this LED tube light that is creating a hair light. However, we don't really need to use this one, so let me turn it off. Okay, so this is how it would look without the hair light. Not a huge difference, however, the hair light gives a little bit of like punch to the whole image. Also, it cuts out the talent from the background a bit more. So let me turn it on one more time. Just before we finish, I would like to show you one more neat trick. If you would like the shadows on her right face side to be darker and deeper, we could actually use this kind of simple cloth. By putting some dark cloth on this reflector, we created a deeper and darker shadow on her right face side. This way, the Rembrandt lighting triangle is even more visible. This kind of technique is called negative fill, and it works great for maybe someone like me that has a very round face, which we would like to make a little bit smaller by introducing more shadow on one of the sides. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching till the very end. If you have any questions, as always, leave me a comment down below. Also, consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up for the algorithm. Also, if you would like to see the sound cover that we shot together, then the link is down below. Thank you very much. Bye.